Hi, today let's see how to recover deleted photos on Android phone. Let's open Photo Album first. See, there are many photos. If I accidentally or permanently deleted these 3 photos, what can I do to recover them? We often choose Google Drive to recover them. Let's see how to do it. Open Settings, find Google, and then install Google Photo. Oops, I couldn't find the 3 photos, so RecoverGo comes to help us. Connect phone to computer with lightning cable. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable USB debugging. The first step, swipe down from the top of the device and click USB transfer. See, we've enabled to transfer files. The second step, go to Settings and type build number to search. When finding build number, click it 7 times to enable developer options. Finally, you need to click Enable USB Debugging. Everything's done. You can choose photo icon to recover photos. This process would take 10 seconds. You can get the deleted photos. See, these 3 photos have been recovered back. And you can use this tool as a backup tool, which is better than Google, right? Okay, that's all we learned today. Please subscribe to us if you like this video and download RecoverGo to have a try.